Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking, where you find easy and tasty recipes. Today I'm going to make Japanese steakhouse hibachi. Are you ready? Let's get started.
We bought this hibachi grill recently. It fits nicely on top of our barbecue outdoor grill. Take your favorite vegetables. I'm using zucchini, that's from my garden, squash, broccoli, carrots and cauliflower. Here I have 2 pounds of medium shrimp and a pound of chicken breast, washed and patted dry. Here I have 4 pounds of beef. I'm cooking for a lot of people today. I'm also making egg fried rice for a side dish, so I'm cooking the rice now separately. Just start the grill on high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using sesame seed oil. Once it's hot, add your vegetables. Add salt, ground black pepper, butter, garlic powder and some soy sauce. If you have garlic butter, you can use it too, and also sprinkle some dry herbs if you like. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. The vegetables are done. Next I'm going to cook the chicken and shrimp. Add some sesame oil, shrimp and chicken, again the same ingredients. Salt, ground black pepper, butter, garlic powder, soy sauce and some dry herbs if you want. And of course, some turmeric powder. I use turmeric on everything. Do not cook shrimp for more than 7 minutes. It will become rubbery, but cook the chicken a little longer. Next, I'm going to cook some egg fried rice. Again, sesame oil. Once it's hot, crack open your eggs. I'm using 6 eggs today. Sesame oil gives you a unique flavor. Just add some salt and ground black pepper. Close the lid for a few minutes. Scramble them. And now add the cooked rice and mix it well with the eggs. Into that add butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, soy sauce and some dried herbs. I'm adding some frozen sweet peas as well. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Egg fried rice is ready. Looks so tasty. And finally, I'm cooking the beef. Add some sesame oil first. You can see I'm using the same ingredients for all the dishes I'm making on this grill. Just close the grill cover and cook. Everything is almost ready. The vegetables, shrimp and chicken, egg fried rice are done. You can see my vegetable garden from here. This year I'm harvesting more zucchinis than ever. I'll share my zucchini fritters recipe soon. The tiny red one is hot pepper and it's really spicy. In case if you have missed my previous video, please check the link above. Okay, here my beef is almost ready. My kids want me to make teriyaki beef, so instead of soy sauce I'm adding sweet teriyaki sauce and I'm cooking it medium rare. Okay, everything is ready. Hibachi without yum yum sauce? No way. I've already made this wonderful sauce and I'll share that recipe in my next upload. Try it today and let me know what you think.
Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.